I wanted to quickly show you our new side panel design. So if I tap a task, you'll notice now there's these separate tabs across the top rather than scrolling forever. So as inTakt has continued to add tons more features, our menu's kind of gotten out of control, so we took a step back, completely redesigned it to make it more easy to navigate. So here on this info tab, you'll find all the basic info about the task. You can add descriptions, you can see your tags, and even your assigned subtasks here in this tab. The units tab, this is where for those who wish to establish crew sizes, quantities like lineal feet of mechanical piping or whatever that is, costs, all those things is managed in this tab. So if you don't do the loading, you don't have to worry about that tab and all that extra clutter. The plan tab, this is where you assign your durations, constraints, your relationships, and you'll notice here that we have that same edit links where you can go through and add additional relationships as you see fit. I'll cancel that out for now, and I have another video coming up where we're going to get more into that. And the tracking tab. So this is where you would just simply manage your progress. Check this out. Now I can select all in one click. If we're not managing handoffs as a done, received, approved process, those who just want to do it in one click, boom, there you go. We also show the active roadblocks. So you'll notice I can switch between tasks and this tab will stay open, but if I click on a task with a roadblock, here that is. And then any checklists that you have established for these tasks, I'll show up there. So this one big part of this change as well is we're also setting it up for multitask editing, which is coming soon. So this new format will allow us to do that much easier, where you'll be able to select multiple tasks and apply those changes much more quickly. So we're on a mission to make inTakt much faster and more efficient than Excel for the day-to-day changes that you make to a plan. And this is one step that brings us closer to that. Thank you.